guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so happy that you guys are here with me today. And you, my first time viewers that are joining me for the very first time, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Guys, today I'm making smoothie. You know, it's Smoothie Funday and I'm making a smoothie bowl today. I'm super excited. Voila. So before I do anything, let me start by showing you all my ingredients as usual. So these are all my ingredients to make my delicious strawberry smoothie bowl today. So I have my banana here. I use 2 bananas and they're frozen. And my strawberries, I use 2 cups of strawberries. They're frozen as well. And my yogurt, my hemp heart, and my chia seed. My hemp heart and my chia seed is from Amazon. They ship to you one day. My hemp heart is organic, and also my chia seed is organic. And as you know, strawberries are just super food for you to eat. They're super food. They have so much health benefit to them. I told you about that before. It's good for your heart. It's help with cancer. Bananas are beautiful for your skin, and banana is a happy fruit. You know, when you eat banana, I try to eat 1 banana every day because it makes me happy. Banana is a happy fruit. Lots of vitamin A. Try bananas. So this is all to make my smoothie fun day today, my smoothie bowl. Okay, so let me begin by making my super delicious smoothie bowl. These are all frozen, as I explained before. This is so beautiful. It looks so amazingly good. And I can't wait to eat this. Now let's taste. Guys, this tastes so delicious. It is so tasty. And this is perfect for the weather that we're having. So good, delicious. I just love this. I've never made you guys smoothie bowl before. Smoothie bowl is one of my favorite things to eat, but this is my first time making it on here batch. But they said you're never too late, right? Better late than never? Something like that. Anyway, all the ingredients will be in my description box below, so you guys can make a smoothie bowl. This is such a fun day, smoothie fun day. And guys, if you are new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below, that red subscribe, and hit that bell, the notification bell, so when I upload new videos you get a notification. And give me thumbs up. If you like my video, give me thumbs up and share my videos with your friends and leave me a comment below. Oh, and not to mention, check out my website, trendingwithvictoria.com. And guys, this is all that I have to say for today's Sunday Funday. I can't wait to see you in my next video.